Now I'm going to share with you a principle that I learned as I asked questions and as I was curious and observant and noticing and using my skills of discovery and kept exploring more and asking questions about how to teach in a way that protects agency and is in the Savior's way. I was guided to learn the Hebrew way. At first, I learned that term. I didn't know what that meant, but I went forward searching for the answers. The guidance I have received as I went forward has proven its veracity. Now I will begin to show you the meanings of the sun at horizon through illustrating the symbol in the Hebrew way. Now I want you to sit in a place maybe where you can look off to the mountains or see the sun rising right now. But imagine that you are standing on this peak, looking out over this horizon into the distance where the sun meets the earth. And know that when you follow this sun and its light, you will come upon the next peak. You will go down into the valley beyond and will come up upon the next peak. As you follow that sunshine and that light at the horizon, you will come upon your journey and path and eventually come to see your purpose here. A long time ago, when our people were more connected to the earth and we lived as nomadic people, ancient people from the Bible times, we were dependent on the earth and everything around us. We lived in the elements, the wind, the sunshine, and heat, and we were able to see the lessons of all the earth. Now, thinking of these people, viewing the sun as if we are outside, standing and looking off, and when the sun is setting in the evening, ask yourself, what would it mean to us? All the light is gathering towards that center out on the horizon and going down, and it's gathering inward. It's time for us to gather inward. We would need to come inside because it's cold and dark, and there could be danger outside of our tent. What can it mean for us today? We can recognize the pattern of the setting sun and then the sun rising in the morning and know it's going to set just for a time. The sun will complete its cycle and continue to rise again, then setting the next day and rising in the morning. Can this illustrate to us the hope that tomorrow will bring new light as we understand this pattern and the cycle that will continue? And we have a hope for tomorrow, for the light that does come. It draws us inward to look inward as well as to move forward. As we lay down in the evening and we rise in the morning with the sun and the sunshine, we can learn all the lessons that teaches us.